Alrighty guys, welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia install tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your fan blower motor in this Toyota Corolla here. This is a pretty simple job, only should take about 5 or 10 minutes. If you guys are chasing this product, you'll find it linked in the description below this video. It's free shipping all around Australia, and yeah, let's get stuck into this one. Alrighty guys, so this first step, what we're going to do, hopefully you guys can see this. I'm just going to drop your glove box down and you'll see it'll just sit there like that. There's these two tabs down the bottom. All you're going to do is pull the glove box towards you. They're just clipped in, just like so, and then that will come down and that's your glove box out. So yeah, just down here, there's one here, and the glove box just sits on these two tabs here. So nice and easy. See under here, there's your fan blower motor, and then you've got a plug here. Unplug that, come in and take off. See, you got, I believe they're an 8 or a 10 mil. Don't quote me on that. Go around, take all those off, and your actual blower motor itself will drop straight out. And there it is guys, there's your fan blower motor. It's just those 3 8 mils and that plug there. It's as simple as that. It'll just come straight out. Grab your new one, put your new one straight in, put your 3 bolts back in your plug, and then you go ahead and you put your glove box back on. So I'll show you guys how to reinstall that. So as you can see there, reinstall your 3 bolts. Don't do them too tight either. It is only going into plastic, so you can strip them out very easy. You've got your plug back there installed. Now you can go ahead and put your glove box back on. So yeah, those are the tabs I'm talking about. Just pushes onto those, and then the glove box will go straight back up, and that's it. Rightio. Just line up that tab there, click that in. Click that one in, make sure it sits on there properly. Yep, push it up just like that. It's all clipped back in, make sure it's all good, and that's job done. Alright guys, that's another Parts Factory Australia install tutorial. Let me know if this one helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, ask any questions in the comment sections. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We have videos like this constantly for, you know, all different makes and models of cars. And yeah, thanks again for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one.